Hello guys, back again. 9:42, mark up in 10 minutes ago. I'm looking for this break right now. Things like we can get up here and keep going up. So if we can break that 568, I'm gonna take a couple longs here. Looking to see here. Um, so we're breaking here. I don't want to catch that whole top, so I'm waiting for it maybe to like pop up, come back, and then retake it. Look, this is a nice haul, but it might just go off here. So um, I like it here. I already took a trade with minis, so made $600. So waiting here. I think I'm gonna take it right here. I like it here. Take one here. See what happens. We had a tough week last week. It was all red, guys, which wasn't great. Um, you know, just tough market. I'm gonna add another one here. I do like it. Um, Looking for a nice push to kind of like that area. So, yeah, it was a tough week. It was all red trades. Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. I think we had 3 red trades. We're pushing here, breaking this. So definitely like it here. Yeah, it was a very tough week, but we were able to, keep it short. We're still around 500. So we're gonna keep pushing this, guys. As soon as we keep pushing, just move stop loss. There we go. Break even. Easy trade here. Look at that 200. There we go. 21. Let's look at the 1 minute now. Now we're really pushing. Yeah, if it comes back, I mean, hopefully it doesn't, but we're just gonna keep it there. We don't want to take a loss, just because we had 3 red trades last week, so I'd rather take a small win than nothing. So let's see how we can keep pushing. There we go. Now we're really pushing. There we go. Keep it right under there. We're up around $100. Let's take a partial right there. New highs. We'll take a partial. There we go. Hit it. Hit it. There we go. We got one, guys. So we made $40 there. No big deal. So this next one, I'll try to push it to that 621 area. So yeah, let's keep it going. Now we're at 40. Keep it going. Let's just keep pushing it up. Hopefully it keeps going up. Nice easy trade today. So I don't want to push it. Let's see if we can really start to really push here. Yeah, nice. We just broke out of that, and then once we broke out of that, I mean this right here, which is this right here. Once we broke out of that, we just kept going. There we go. There we go. I think I'm gonna take it here, guys. Around $70 to make a profit. I do like it here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. $100. I really wanted to keep it going, but since last week we kind of had a tough week. We just had the stop loss right there. We had a tough week last week. I just kind of want to get back some of that money. Oh, look, now it's gonna push. How much would it's gonna hit? What we had, but whatever. $100 back to around 575. So I like it here. It was a nice, easy, clean trade. Kind of what I was looking at. Show you what I was looking at. So right there, easy to read. As you can see here, hit it once, hit it twice. We got hit. Pre-market, we were just keeping this up. I really wanted to take a long here. I actually took it with my minis in my other account. I made like $600 on that one. Should have kept it. We would have really made a lot of money. But once I saw this and really started to push up, and this is when I started recording. You could see that I was just like, this is nice. Bulls came in here and really pushed this up, and that's why I really wanted to take longs here to get this push up. So that was a play. Great trade right off the bat. $100. Start off the week. Hopefully we can make up what we lost last week and really push it. That's why I took 2. And, yes, I could have waited and made more, but we're just really trying to slowly make it up, We're getting really close to day 30, so we really want to stay green. And then once we really start to push, we can try to take more and more trades. But we have a buffer right now, 500, 600. We think we were around 900 or so. So we kind of lost some, but they can see here it's starting to push. Never really come back down. I think that's where we were trying to get around, somewhere around there. So that's good. We'll wait there, and then we'll see what happens if we take another trade up $100 first trade. So we'll take it there, guys. All right, guys, we're back again. It's around close to 11 now. I'm liking longs here, guys. We had this. This is where we took our trade, and then we just we just flushed down all the way down here. Now we're just kind of holding here. See this line right here. So I'm thinking of liking longs right here. From here to a nice push up. I really think we can really go up higher. But it seems like it's kind of on the verge. Like it doesn't know what to do. See, this is kind of holding. This line is holding. I like longs here to just keep another push up to this 557. As it is scrambling here, it's not really a bear flag. It is a risky trade, and so that's what's making me hesitate. As we are already up 110 on the day, I don't want to take a risky trade and just take a loss. But I do like it here for longs. It really skewing on me to kind of see we dropped, came back. Now we're testing this right here, this area right there. See this wick. That's why I like it. Then I'm gonna take a small trade here. Nice little quick.
Order filled.
See what happens. Just one, guys, and stop loss right under that. Let's see, right there. No, let's put it under this right there. Yeah, that's gonna be $41 if we take a loss. Looking for, let's see, like I think right there. Yeah, right there. It's kind of where its seat start. This is where it hit back. It is making this kind of like here. See, it's made it right here. It made different lows right here. So see if you can keep going up. If it keeps coming down, I'll take it. I'll take the small loss. I don't want to take a big loss. I do like it here that it's starting to stay. So let's see if it starts breaking these wicks right here. I'll take the loss, but let's see if we can get another one.
Order filled.
Add another one here, but it's gonna take it off very, very fast just to kind of, where is it? Let's see. Let's take one off right there. Yeah, nothing crazy, but just kind of trying to. And we're gonna move stop loss up to 66. We can. That's the goal right there. Let's see. Yeah, I like it there. Hopefully it hits that and then keep going up. Like I said, now it's a little more risk, but I do like it. Let's see if we can hold up 507. I do like it there to see if we can take a partial. Just a quick little partial there. Let's see if it hits us. Oh, it might even hit us right now, guys.
Order filled.
There we go. Take that off. Well, that was unfortunately. Now we're up only $44. We risked it. As you can see here, I did like it. Maybe I should have waited until this 5 minute formed. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, it did make a nice bear flag. I was really hoping to see how this is kept. But it seems like it's gonna start breaking this. If this freaking just jumps up after that, that's gonna be really annoying. Part of trading. But all right, that's probably gonna be it for the day. If I do another trade, it might be towards the end of the day. I'm not doing anything else anymore. I'm done, because then I'm gonna start over trading, and we're green in the day, even though it's small. Look at that, guys. That's very unfortunate. And this is gonna probably shoot up and hit all of our PTs. Look. All right. Well, whatever. We're done for the day. I mean, done for now. If anything, I'll come back later. If not, we'll probably be done for the day. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're back. It's around 3:40. Market's about to close in around 20 minutes or so. But I did have this Fibonacci with a golden pocket here. I kind of missed that. I even drew this purple rectangle, because this is the kind of like that top where I really wanted to take a short. If we can hit it again, I'll definitely take some shorts here before the market closes, trying to get a nice green trade beforehand. As you can see here, it definitely hit some nice resistance. So get a nice push up here or so. I'll definitely take a short. So let's see what happens here in the next 20 minutes or so. Yeah, I like it right there. Put one there. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it shoots up. Since we did fall from those highs, and now all we're doing is going up high. I do definitely like it to see if we can break. Let's see that trend line right there. So, because all we're doing, move that. Yeah. So pretty obvious right there. Golden pocket from this high to this low is right there. That's 70%. And then that's also a resistance. 1, 2, and then 3. So I like it here. Let's see what happens. if it does push up here and it fills in, I might even enter another one. Just to try to get a nice, good finish on a good note, hopefully. Because if this hits, and you can even go up here and hit this, but then it can break this trend line that's been doing half a day. That would be a really nice, just dump to probably around there, 440s, because it's kind of where, yeah, that's what I would really like. Yeah, I like that nice support here, there, kind of not there, but yeah, it's the same thing over here, similar. Yep. So let's see what happens, if we can get a trade or not. If not, we'll just squeak with a 44 game for the day and go from there. No big deal. Very messy around here. On my other account, I got messed up. I was up $700, came back down, lost some, made some. I got caught up in from here to here. I got caught up in it. Let's see what's going on with gold. All right, so it's trending up. That's a nice breakout right there. Trying to get back in the swing of things just because I took that whole week off. Oh, I like this. That was a nice longs right there. Look at that. Boom, boom. That would have been a great long play right there. Let's see if we can fill us. If not, we'll just squeak with a $44 win. Remember, we were up $100 on the first play, then we gave back around $60 or so on the second play. Right here, I believe that's where we were trying to go long, thinking it was gonna keep this, and it didn't. It broke, and it just, honestly, it just went all the way down. It's a little messy. Let's take this out. We know we're at the GP right there. Probably want to take a loss. 557 probably be our stop loss, somewhere around there. So let's remove that so it's easier to see. Hopefully this can break and really, But this could also blow up, guys, since it's been trying to hit all day and it finally at this level again. This is something where it can really just, the last 10 minutes around 350, we get some really, big moves. So this could really just jump up and just go, really test those highs again. So that's why you have to be careful. But again, I like the risk to reward ratio here. So we're just going to keep looking. Let's see if we can push ups. Come on. You don't got all day. What is going on in the bigger scale? So, that's a very big resistance right there, as you can see in the bigger scale. Because we brought here, tested. Now obviously we're breaking up, but if it breaks this, guys, this level right here, which seems to be the hard, see this level right there. If it breaks that, you got some room up, really room up. I would test. It would probably first around that 2100s. Around there, yeah, 2070 or so, definitely. And then from there, to see, test even the 500s, and then from there we'll see. But I think I definitely like it there. It's definitely a trade there for longs. We are trying to test. Oh, it's gonna fill us right here, guys. Hopefully it fills us right here. It's about to push here soon. Let's see. There we go. What's the high? 931. Literally by just a couple of ticks didn't hit us. A point basically. All right, guys, we're in. We're in now. see what happens. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm looking at. That would be my really where I want to get in. Stop loss is gonna be, I think, probably around here, 82. Yeah. If it starts breaking, I might even break before him. I just want to give it some space. I do like it here, so it can really come back down and test these lows right now. So let's see what happens. 82 is basically will be down, negative 40 for the day, but I do like it. Let's see if we can. If we start pushing around these levels again, I might enter another one. I will enter it, but then move my stop loss up, so it will be like $100 loss max, But for now, let's see if we can get a nice push. If we can break this right here, there's like 480, or so, like really break it, then I really like it. I'll push my stop loss up. That way it'll be a free trade. This is the first target right there, that 471. So we'll see what would that 471 would be around there, like 130, which is not bad. But again, that's what really we're aiming for. So you can get a nice push here. It's really got to break this line right here, guys. Because if it doesn't break this line, it's just gonna keep rebounding and going up and up. So that's what we're looking for. We're up $10 right now, nothing crazy. Usually around 350 in the last 10 minutes, it tends to do some bigger moves because volume's trying to close. People are institutions are trying to close out their positions. They're trying to move money around and whatnot, so it tends to have some volatility at the end of the day. The last 10 minutes, definitely. I do like that candle inverted, but there's still 2 more minutes to go until it closes, so we'll see what happens. Up around $20, $30. Break this, and now I think we're golden. I might even enter another one just to really push it. Got 1 more minute on this, guys, on this 5-minute candle. Let's see how we can do. All right. Let's see if we can get a push down here. $350, usually we get a nice move, so we'll see. Hopefully we can get a nice push down, all the way down to, obviously we're asking for almost a 100-point move, so, it's a lot. There's that 350 move. It's against us at the moment, but I really want to enter another one, guys. But I don't want to just take. So I'm waiting on it, seeing. It is pushing. See, I told you that 350. Usually there's something around 350 that it does something that makes a nice volume comes in and it pushes it. It is pushing. I really want to enter another one here, guys, just to have it and to push it down. But I don't want to just chase. Because if I enter, it's gonna be like $120 loss or so, even maybe more. So let's see at the 1 minute. See this candle. If we can get a nice little push down, I will enter another one. I like it here. Let's see. Definitely, yeah, 350, and then boom, it was a nice candle. Let's see. Bears can come in. If not, we'll take the loss here, guys. Let's see how this 1 minute candle forms. Yeah, I really like it here, but it might push up. Stop us out. That's all I'm taking as a loss. We'll be red for the day, but it'll be a small loss. Let's see. Yeah, it's very indecisive. If you can get below here, maybe get a nice push down. But it's very close to our stop loss already, so. You gotta trade like a robot, guys. No emotions. and we decided where we're gonna be. So 15 more seconds. Enter another one here, guys. I like it here. 10 more seconds until this minute stops, but I do like it here. 124 loss. I'm okay with that. Hopefully it comes back down. Here I'm probably gonna move it up to around here. Probably around there. You know, if you can really get a push down, that'd be great. But if you get a nice bulk, a bullish pendant right here, it might just boot and then breaks. So I enter around right there. Right now it's there. 124 loss. So I'll be like a minus 80 for the day. It's feasible, which will kind of suck because that'll be 4 days straight red days. Last week was a terrible trading, but seems like it might do it again, guys. Might hit us there. Yep, it hit us there. Minus 80 for the day. Nothing you can do, guys. I really liked it. You know, but that's that 350. It's kind of a risk right there to take it. So we took it and went up. Nothing you can do about it. Fall for the day and come back tomorrow. We're back to around 400. Really got to start pushing and coming back. We lost in the last 4 days. We lost around $400 or so. So not great. But what are you gonna do? That's trading for you. Sometimes you gotta get out of this momentum, this red momentum we have right now. Once we start really pushing, we'll be good. But keeping the reds small is very important. So that's what we'll try to do. All right, we'll see you tomorrow, guys.